to K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial, I want to teach you how you can create talking avatar videos just like this one.
Welcome you to K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create amazing talking avatar videos just like me for free. Stay tuned to the end of tutorial so that you will not miss any part of the tutorial. Like, comments, and share. If you never subscribe, make sure you do so for more valuable tutorials.
If you open this website for the first time, it will ask you to sign up with your Gmail account. So then you sign up. After sign up, you will see this. Let's check the price. So when you click on this, you are going to see the price. Click on subscription so you can see it. They will give you 36 points every month, so that you can using it every month. They will be giving you 36 point monthly. Okay, so you can see this what you can use this 36 point for. So but your video will have a watermark. If you are using free version, but you can also subscribe to it so you can see the plan. So you can see the plan, but you can also use free one. So after that, let's dive into the tutorial. So we are going to see different avatar that you can use. Then you can set your aspect ratio if you want landscape or portrait. So you can see it here. You can see landscape, then you can see portrait. So you can choose anyone. Then you can select any avatar you like. Then you can set the age of the avatar you want. So you can see the age. Then if you want only women, you can see gender, so just click down. So you can also, so when you click here now, you will see female and female. If you want only female or your avatar, you click on female. Then if you want male and female, anyone you want, so you set your this thing. So other thing you need to set before you can go around. So you can just set, so you can check, you can setting the topic. So when you click on topic, you are going to see, you can see studio and studio, then lifestyle, cartoon, outdoor, health and fitness. So it depends about the content that you are creating your this thing for. So anyone, but let me just choose anyone for the purpose of this tutorial. So I will choose this one. Let me click on it. When you tap the image you want to use, so you can see it. Then you can set your ratio here. So you can check it if you want landscape or portrait. Then after that, then you can bring your audio. If you want to, you already record your audio, you just click here. Then if you want to text or what the avatar to say, you can text here. So you can see, so you just click on text, so it will be on text. Then if you already record your voice or you have generate your voice over, so you just click on audio. Then you now bring the audio from your device. But the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to be use text. So I'll click on text. I will now paste the what I want this avatar to say. Okay, so you can check, you can play it and check the voice first before you go, so you can see it. Let's
Your
play.
success starts with smart decisions. Let us simplify the complex world of finance and law, giving you the confidence to manage your future with ease and security.
So you can see
Your
how good this
success
thing is. So you can
starts with
using it
smart decisions.
to
Let us
advert.
simplify.
You can using it to advert your business. You can using it for your content. You can, if you want to start a faceless content, you can use this avatar to start your faceless content. So I will paste what I want this avatar to say. I'm going to write it to this area. So let me paste it. So after I paste what I want this AI to do, what I'm going to do is to click on export. So I'm going to click on export. So click on export. So when you tap on export, it's going to direct you so you can see it. So you will now go back from here. And you go back from here. Then you will now click on project. When you click on project, you are going to see your video is generating. Click on this project. When you tap on project, you will see your video is loading, so you can see it. So you can see, so you need to wait for your video to be generate. So let's wait for it to generate. I'm going to play it. So our video is ready. So let's play it and hear what it's going to say. I welcome you to K.S.M Creativity YouTube channel. In this tutorial, you can avatar videos just like me for free.
Stay tuned to the end of tutorial so that you will not miss any part of the tutorial. Like, comment.
So I think you can see it. So that's it. After you are satisfied with your this thing, you just go on to this side. You're going to see download button here. So click on download at this side. So this avatar, you can using it to advert your business. You can using it to start your faceless content. Or the name of this website is Remover AI. Remover. So I'll put the link of this website. I'll put it in the first comment of this tutorial. I will also put it on the description of this tutorial. So if you never subscribe to this channel, make sure you do so, subscribe and turn on your notification so that you no miss our upcoming